Welcome to the BDQtopia video editing tutorial. Today I will show you create masking transition using Filmora. Let's begin the tutorial. To create a masking transition, you need to have at least 2 videos. Import videos from the Media tab, and add videos to the timeline. Link of the videos added in the video description. Set the starting position of your second video. Add a mask. Rotate the mask 180 degrees. Hide the mask completely at the starting point of the second video. Add the first keyframe at the starting point of the second video. Forward the position of the playhead and then update the X position of the mask accordingly. Continue the task until the second video is completely shown. Keyframes will be added automatically at the position of the playhead. Now masking transition is ready for use. Export the video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.